With the January transfer window underway, Orlando Pirates may be close to finalizing negotiations for a Polokwane City duo, Thabang Matuluti and Oswin Apolis. The deal is expected to include the player moving from Pirates to City along with a monetary component. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, Polokwane City initially considered wanting Katleho Otladisa in the deal. However, since he's expected to join Sekhukhune United on loan, it is now believed that Philip Ndlondlo could be the player involved. A high-level SIA sources added that negotiations are at a very high advance to be finalized soon. A second insider mentioned that involving Ndlondlo would alter the financial aspects of the deal, potentially exceeding the initial 15 million evaluation. As Pirates and Polokwane City discussed this significant transfer deal, the potential movement of Ndlondlo highlights the strategic consideration each club must address to get the agreement over the line. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.